so we're back at the CR. It's been 3 weeks, so we recently got some parts in. I got a new axle. This axle, I ordered a new nut for it and it didn't fix the threads. The threads end up being worse on the axle. Just ordered a brand new one to replace it. So we're gonna get this installed, and then I gotta fix this brake line, move it on the inside, bleed the brakes. We gotta get the radiator hose clamps on. We gotta get a chain guard, which I don't have powder coated yet. We also have to bleed the rear brake. Don't mind a little bit of dirt from the exhaust. We gotta change the gas in this. We had it mixed a little bit too rich, so we gotta change the gas. And then after we bleed the brakes and do the hose clamps, we're gonna take this bike out for its first run and put a little bit of braking time on it. So CR is ready for its first drive. The brakes are all bled. Got the hose clamps on. We're missing a couple things. We don't have a chain guard yet. And we're not going to ride it with the plastics on because we don't want to get the plastics dirty. We're going to try to keep them fresh. And now we're going to start the bike up, let it warm up, and then we're going to take it outside for a little run. It's getting kind of dark out, but should get like a few minutes riding. Go through the gear, see if anything's working, see if there's any other issues with the bike. So we're going to start her now, let her warm up, and then when she gets up to temperature, I actually have a thermometer on her. So whenever she's up to temperature, we'll take her out for a spin.
Really weird looking out and seeing your front car.
We had the CR out for a test ride. Everything went great. The bike seems to be working good, not leaking no oil. We might have mixed the gas a little bit rich, but the brakes seem to be working good. Got the brake line all routed. Now we're going to be working on getting the plastics on the bike, which we have the Polysport kit. Now I had a custom graphics kit made by Arctic FX Graphics for this bike. The NLRiders stickers. But the only issue is I know a couple of these stencils for the cutout don't fit the bike right. So I know like the fenders and the number plates and that fit, but these side panels here I don't think are going to fit. We're going to have to get some new ones made up. We might have to send some plastics down or something like that. But I'm going to get the plastics on this bike and start assembling this sticker kit.